you all are having a great day. Welcome to this brand new episode of our channel. And as I promised that in this video we will see how we can deploy our site on the server rather than using a local server, so that we can share it with outside world. And of course we'll upload it for free. And you have few options here, like you can go with Firebase, you have AWS, and also you can go with Heroku or GitHub, anything you want. But in this tutorial we are gonna see how we can deploy this React website on a Netlify server. And if you can't remember, just let me show you how is it looking right now. So this is the site we developed in previous video, and if you are not aware of that, you can check out the video. I'll add a link in description, so feel free to check that out. We designed this whole thing, and as I promised that in this video I'm gonna show you how you can deploy this site for free, and we'll use Netlify for that. So yeah, it's looking kind of a okayish type, like it's not about winning a designing award or anything like that. I just wanted to build a site so that I can show you how you can use React to build a portfolio website. So you can go with this design, and you can just take the idea and implement yours, and you can share it with me so that I can see what you are doing. So yeah, pretty much fun thing. And before I start the video, make sure that you are liking this video if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And with all that, let's start the building process and let's deploy our site on Netlify. So to deploy your site, first thing you have to see, that is just visit your site you have developed, and press Ctrl Shift to check out the console what kind of error you are getting. And as you can see, we are getting two errors, one for and another one for class. So first one is army component and another one is form component. So let's see what's happening there. So if we check out the hire me component, find Control F class, and so we have to change this class to class name. Okay, we have to change it here as well. Okay, I think that's different. Well, we have that in gallery component, so let's go there. As you can see, we have no error right now because we have changed all the class to class name. And after that we have one more error, that is for HTML4, and that's in the form component. And here we have to change this for HTML4, and I don't think we have any other error. So let's save this and let's see. Okay, great, it's great. So right now we just solved all the errors we had, and hopefully we'll not get any other errors. But as far as we are concerned, that we are not getting any error in Chrome developer tool. But if we get any errors, Netlify will show us that. So now what we have to do, we'll just we'll disconnect our server and we'll type yarn. If you are using npm, go with npm build to build the file, and it will build the file for us, because right now we are using JSX. It will convert it into the HTML CSS files. So just give it some time and it will finish the building process. So let's see how it goes. And once the building process is done, type git add. Make sure you already have git initialized in your project, and to see that, you can check out git status, and it will show you all the status of your project. But if you don't know about git, you can check out my other video. It's all about git and GitHub. I'll add that link as well in description, so you can check out. So first we have added the file on staging area. After that we'll commit, git commit. Damn mother. Okay. Okay, let's forget about it. And so we have committed the file, and then what we have to do, we have to push it to the remote repository. And if you don't have any remote repository initialized, you can add a new remote repository. And again, if you are not familiar with this git, so I'll suggest you to check out my GitHub tutorial series, and it's available on YouTube, and I'll add the link in description. So to push the file onto the remote server, we'll type git push -in master, and we'll press enter. So now our project is available on the remote repository. So to check it out, I'll go to the GitHub, and as you can see, we have our repository here, portfolio with reactjs, and as you can see, it's by private for now. This is 1 minute ago we just committed it, and if I show you the commit name, and this is the problem. Okay, great. So yeah, we have our repository here, and now we'll deploy it to the server. And to do that, I'll go to Netlify. To visit Netlify, just type app.netlify.com and it will take you to the Netlify site. And here is mine. And to start our new project, we'll select this one, new site from Gate. And here I'll authorize the GitHub. It'll take some time and it'll authorize GitHub. And once it's done, it'll show you all the projects you have available, no matter it's public or private. And in this case, we will be using this photographer portfolio reactjs. And yep, just deploy the site, yeah, and it'll take care of it. We don't have to do anything. And site deploy in progress, and if you want to see, just click on it, and as you can see, it's building. If you click here, you'll see this. So yeah, just give it some time. It'll take some time and it'll complete the process. I'll just first forward it. Let's see. And boom, all site is live now. As you can see, the compiled successfully. And if we want to see this site now, we can just click on preview. It will take us to the page, and here we have some dirty URL. Wow, I don't know where that came from, whatever. So as you can see, we have the site, we have this ready site, but we don't like this URL, so I would like to change it, because romantic Shannon, I don't know what the hell is that, but okay, so I prefer to change that name. So to do that, what we will do, we'll go to this deploy setting, general, here the site information, change site name, and we'll see something like it's taken, so it's not available. I'll add one more O, I'm saving it, and yeah, it's available. Great. So if we click here, and as you can see, it's photographer portfolio o.netlify.m. So in case if you want to visit this site, you can do that. You can just visit this URL. I'll keep that for you guys, so feel free to check it out. So it's live right now and it's working fine, and hopefully you understood how is it happening. Just build your files with in yarn build or npm build, whatever you are using. Then once you are done, just push your site to the GitHub. And if you are learning React, I hope you already know how to use GitHub. And in case if you don't know, I do have a separate GitHub course on YouTube, so feel free to check it out. It's a preview version of my full Udemy GitHub course. And after pushing your project to GitHub, you can visit app.netlify.com, and it's kind of a self-explanatory. Like, it's quite easy to use the Netlify. Just create a new site from Git and authorize the site with GitHub. Once you are done with this authorization, just choose the site you want to deploy, and the rest will be done by the Netlify. And also after uploading site, you can change, you can give it a custom domain name. Also you can set up HTTPS, so everything is possible here. And yeah, that's it. And feel free to play around with this. You have lots of options here with form and media, large media analytics and all. So just give it a try. Feel free to play around with it and host any site you want to host there. Make sure it's static, so you can't actually host dynamic. Actually I haven't, so in case if we can, so let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and as I promised, this is the second part, and we are finished with the second part of our photographer portfolio series, which we developed with reactjs and Pixabay API. In case if you haven't watched that video, feel free to check that out as well. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, and I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, take care, have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.